24 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ସକାଳେ ରଖିବୁ। ସେଇଟା ବି ରହିବ।
I am Father Ajay Sabhasundar. I am the parish priest of Bhubaneswar, St. Vincent Pro Cathedral. So this is
How this preparation is going on?
preparation is already done. It's going on still because just one day is left, but almost we have finished. Only a few things have to be done, and we are excitedly waiting for this day. And our faithful, the devotee, are also preparing now very spiritual way through the sacrament of reconciliation. So that is going on now. A lot of people will come for the confession. That is a spiritual renewal way to renew their lives. As you know, this is one of the sacrament in the church, and this is the best preparation. Of course, people are in their own way busy in their own homes. They are preparing the cribs, the stars, the Christmas tree. Of course, you know, the sweets of a specific kind that is in this part of Odisha. All that is outward preparation. But the main preparation is the spiritual way. And that also people will come. Long line now. Just we are going to begin now. And also tomorrow. For that there will be a big crowd.
Sir, in Bhubaneswar, from all communities, people are coming here.
Yes. Bhubaneswar, of course, is not only Catholic. There are many people who are coming, and they are just waiting to see what is happening. Still now people are coming. And on that particular day, even the Hindus and other people and Christian denomination in their own churches, they are celebrating. They also come to visit our church. And many, it is really a blessing that even other people, they recognize, because Jesus came for all. And so they come with candles, with the flowers, and with all their devotion, they come to see for darshan also. After our Holy Mass, after our prayer, a lot of people from outside only, from belonging to different religion, they come here to see the birth of Jesus Christ.
Sir, how people will celebrate New Year?
New Year, okay. So for us, it is the greatest feast we celebrate. And New Year also, people are, those who are here, they come here for prayer. For us, the main thing is the Holy Mass, where we worship God. That is our excitement. And of course, God coming to live among us, God becoming human being to live with us. He is not a distant God. His name is Emmanuel, means God with us. He is a Savior. Jesus, meaning of Jesus is Savior. And New Year, of course, also another occasion for us to celebrate, to welcome the new year, the new life, the new way of thinking, and all that is there. Spiritual way also, people come to thank the Lord for the new year that they are going to have, and thanking the Lord for the year that they have spent, 2025. For that also, we continue that spirit of joyfulness and also waiting for the coming events in the new year with a lot of anxiety. What is going to happen? Surely everybody has their own way of looking. Also, we do in the church as a community.